Welcome to this guide on how to set up Wealthfront investing. Wealthfront is a popular online investment platform that offers low-cost and automated investment management. To get started, go to the Wealthfront website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to link your bank account. This is where your investment funds will be transferred from. Wealthfront uses secure encryption to protect your financial information, so you can feel confident when linking your account. Next, you will need to answer a series of questions to help Wealthfront determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. This includes questions about your age, income, and investment experience. Your answers will help Wealthfront create a personalized investment plan tailored to your needs. After completing the questionnaire, you will be presented with a recommended investment portfolio. This portfolio will be diversified across different asset classes, such as stocks and bonds, to help minimize risk and maximize returns. You can choose to accept the recommended portfolio or make adjustments to suit your preferences. Wealthfront offers a range of investment products, including individual accounts, IRAs, and 401 kiloseconds. You can choose the type of account that best fits your needs and fund it with an initial investment. There is no minimum balance requirement to get started, but you will need to fund your account with at least $500 to begin investing. Wealthfront charges a management fee of 0.25% per year, which is significantly lower than traditional financial advisors. There are no trading fees or commissions, and you can withdraw your money at any time without penalty. To monitor and manage your investments, you can use the Wealthfront mobile app or website. The platform provides detailed performance reports and alerts to keep you informed about your investments. You can also use the app to make adjustments to your portfolio or deposit additional funds. In conclusion, setting up Wealthfront investing is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of Wealthfront's low-cost and automated investment management, you can start building a diversified investment portfolio and working towards your long-term financial goals.